time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise.
Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Is this your first time viewing this channel? Welcome and God bless you. My name is Kamsi and my little daughter is Kamsi also. We both make videos on food recipes and our goal is to inspire people to get into the kitchen and discover just how fun and easy cooking can be no matter the age. So in today's video, I will show you how to make this super delicious beef stir fry that you can make it in just 20 minutes. It is so quick and delicious, guys. So if you are interested, please keep watching and also do consider to subscribe and like our video. Yeah, for the list of the ingredients, please check the description box below. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do, you wash the beef very well and slice the beef into stripes. Now put it in a bowl and quickly marinate for 5 minutes. Add black pepper, corn flour, egg, vegetable oil, mix, and also add salt to taste. Mix. Put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. It can be more than depending the time you have. Now let's get the vegetables ready. Cut the carrots and the red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green pepper. You can cut it in any shape you want, but make sure it is in uniform, okay? Yeah, I'm also using broccoli. You know, broccoli is a good source of vitamin K and calcium. And broccoli is also great for weight loss because it is rich in fiber. So I like using it. It's optional, you can use it. Now after you have done that, in a large pan, add a little oil, allow it to heat. Then add the meat in a single layer and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side till it's done, okay? For the vegetables, Put them in a bowl. Put the vegetables that you have sliced in a bowl. Boil water and soak this vegetable for a minute and sieve it. Okay, allow it to sieve. Now in a large pan again, pour in little oil, add onion, grated garlic and ginger, and stir very well. Add soya sauce. Okay, it's optional. Okay, after you're done that, stir it very well. You can add pepper if you want, because I have already added pepper in the meat, so I'm not going to add pepper because I added enough pepper. At this point, add the sieved vegetables and stir. I love a good, quick, easy meals, that happens in less than an hour. And this one doesn't disappoint. I totally, feel like a rock star. And the beef. Stir it also. Allow it to simmer for 2 minutes and you are done. Yeah guys, it doesn't take time. Honestly, I'm so accomplished. If you like a delicious stir fry with lots of sauce like I do, then this video is for you. Guys, this is so delicious. I know you love this video. If you really do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. You can enjoy this with your rice, any type of rice you have. As you can see, I am serving this with rice. Yeah guys, thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.